how to change keyboard language on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to change the language or add new languages on your Samsung keyboard? Then don't worry, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your phone settings and then scroll down and go ahead and tap on General Management. So here you'll find language and you'll find Samsung keyboard settings. Tap on it and then tap on languages and types. Now here, if you want to add a new language, then you need to tap on manage input languages. And here you can see a list of languages. So if you want to add the Italian language or the Japanese language, you just have to toggle it on. And you can see that maximum 4 languages are supported. So you can choose any 4 languages that you want. And that's it. The languages will be added to your keyboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.